This video is just an announcement that the 11th Alakajam is starting in 2 days. I've participated in every single one of the main events so far, and I intend to participate in the 11th Alakajam. For those of you that don't know, the Alakajam is a game jam where you make a game in 48 hours over the weekend. It's pretty simple. They announce a theme, you make the game, and at the end of the weekend you submit the game. For those of you using Pygame, if you look on my channel, there's a video about how you can make executables so other people can play your game. Anyways, after the submission and the jam ends, the rating phase starts where everyone plays each other's games and gives them ratings, and eventually the rating phase ends and a winner is announced. Anyways, the jam begins in 2 days. It's 7 p.m. UTC on Friday, the 26th. The schedule for the jam is right here, and the remaining possible themes are right here. I'll be streaming pretty much all of my work for the game jam over this weekend, so I'll be streaming on and off from like Friday to Sunday. But yeah, if you're interested, head over to alakajam.com. It'll be lots of fun, and I hope you guys will join me. I'll also probably be playing the game jam entries on stream after the jam, which means if you ever wanted me to play your games or something like that, that'll probably be your chance.